I think firstly it's insightful and very informative. I see it as a platform to bring together like-minded individuals and professionals within the finance banking industry to really share views and ideas, to kind of feed off of some of the trends in the market. I think it really helps kind of boost innovation and kind of broaden the horizon when it comes to thinking about new innovative approaches to the financial industry, as well as some of the I guess newly emerging business models. So I think it's very insightful in that sense, and also at the same time it is a networking platform that helps kind of bridge and connect individuals and people and organizations. So I enjoy it very much. Interesting question. Well, we're looking as Global Investment Bank, we're looking to kind of promote the culture of social impact through innovative investment solutions in the region, in the GCC. I think the model as it currently exists in, I would say, mostly in the West, it is in need of refinement. And I think Dubai in particular and the GCC, given the concentration of private wealth here, could be a really interesting platform to kind of pivot from some of the existing models and strategies around impact investing and social impact, again through innovation, to look at new models where you can incorporate commercial activities and capital performance together with real social impact that's a lot more meaningful and is more sustainable. So one of the projects we've been working on for the past 2 years is the IFF, or the International Film Fund, which is essentially a first come to market here in the region, a large-scale regulated premium Hollywood movie production fund. And the idea behind that was to really be able to bring to market and give access to investors in the region, direct access into mainstream Hollywood and premium film production, which currently doesn't really exist in the region, by kind of domesticating Hollywood production capabilities and expertise here in the region. So we have brought together a team of 5 seasoned Hollywood producers in order to acquire the necessary skill set to kind of acquire and select and develop film. But it's not just that. I mean, that is a product offering we're looking to launch this coming year. But what we've done is, through that process, we've proposed a new model of social impact investing. And that is to essentially sit on top of the IFF as a fund managers and pledge 50% of what we make in that process to various humanitarian initiatives, social development and child education programs in Africa. And we believe as an organization, that is the new business model when it comes to social impact investing, because you're not really asking your investors to sacrifice on profitability or capital performance, yet at the same time they're directly involved in that impact process and delivery of impact in those impoverished communities. So we're quite excited to kind of explore that a bit more and bring it to market for the first time. I mean, there were a lot of very interesting topics that were covered today. I particularly liked various ways or means or investment strategies in the market space today during times of uncertainty. So I think there was some interesting insight and feedback from the panel as to what are the newest trends or solutions when it comes to hedging risk, given the market outlook and some of the volatilities we've been experiencing in the market over the past couple of years. Diversify, diversify, diversify. I mean, there's nothing more important than a proper diversification strategy, and it's not just across regions or jurisdictions, but it's across various asset classes. And again, one of the reasons why I'm excited about the IFF in particular is because that is an asset class that GCC investors have not been previously historically exposed to. So it's a very new asset class. It is completely non-correlated to the capital markets and the financial markets in general. As a matter of fact, there is a direct correlation, but it's reverse, to where you can actually make a point through various studies and research over the last 40 years that as the markets are going down, usually film asset classes tend to go up. So it's a great hedging strategy and a great portfolio diversification strategy to include film assets in your portfolio.